Welcome to the Python Fundamentals course by Robert Smallshear and Austin Binkham. My name is Robert Smallshear, and I'll be presenting this Getting Started module of the Python Fundamentals course. In this module, we'll cover obtaining and installing Python on your system for Windows, Ubuntu Linux, and Mac OS X. We'll write some basic Python code and become acquainted with the essentials of Python programming culture, such as the Zen of Python, although never forgetting the origins of the name of the language. There are two major versions of the Python language: Python 2, which is the widely deployed legacy language, and Python 3, which is the present and future of the language. Most Python code will work without modification between the last version of Python 2, which is Python 2.7, and recent versions of Python 3, such as Python 3.3. However, there are some key differences, and in a strict sense the languages are incompatible. We'll be using Python 3.3 for this course, but we'll point out key differences with Python 2 as we go. It's also very likely that, this being a fundamentals course, everything we present will apply to future versions of Python 3, so don't be afraid to try those as they become available. Before we can start programming in Python, we need to get hold of a Python environment. Python is a highly portable language available on all major operating systems. You will be able to complete this course on Windows, Mac or Linux, and the only major section where we diverge into platform specifics is coming right up as we install Python 3. As we cover the three platforms, feel free to skip over the sections which aren't relevant for you.